Okay, let's take a look at the mailing list page here at thanks.io. We'll talk about how to create mailing lists and upload them. So first thing I want to mention before we do that is that you can actually trigger campaigns based on when somebody is added to the mailing list and send a sequence of cards on specific days, send automatically on holidays, and a number of other interesting options. So be sure to check that out as well. To create mailing lists, the first thing I'm going to do is go up here to the top right and click on the little plus sign. So we'll click plus, and you'll see the upload from CSV option, the manually enter addresses option, and select from map. Let's dive into uploading first, because that's probably what a lot of us are going to do first. So I'll click here to choose my file. Any CSV file should work. Name it, and click upload. Now what's going to happen is the system is going to pull in on the left side all of the columns that were found in your CSV. And then on the right side, you're going to map these over to the fields that are needed by thanks.io. So in this case, I'm going to skip most of them, but I'm going to go down and make sure that I have my mailing address, my mailing state, my mailing zip code, and my city. So those are probably the most important things, and I'll map the company name over to the name field. Now, another thing I want to point out, and I don't have a birthday date in this particular CSV, so I'll just grab a random file. But I can actually pass in a date of birth and start automatically sending cards, right? And I can also do custom fields, this custom 1 and custom 2. And there's a lot of cases where you might want to merge in the name of the product that they bought, for example. So you could merge that in from a CSV file and then pull it in later to your cards as you create and send them. Okay? Next step is going to be to click the save and process down at the bottom. And it'll take just a few minutes. You'll see a little processing icon. Just know that it could take a few minutes for the whole system to upload, but once everything is uploaded, it'll look like this on the screen here, where it tells you it's done in your mailing list. So you may need to just refresh the page if it seems like it's just processing. All right, and it could take a few minutes, so just be patient with it. So that's it. That's how to upload mailing lists. Let's click again and look at manually entering addresses. So this is pretty straightforward. Say you had a birthday party. You had a birthday party for your kids and you want to send a thank you card to everybody who attended, but it's only like 13 people, right? You have all their addresses. You can go here and start adding to this mailing list individual recipients. Easy enough, right? Next option we have is the map builder. And this is a lot of fun, especially if you're doing geo-targeted prospecting. So you want to send to everybody in a specific neighborhood. Lots of examples of businesses that would need this: real estate, pizza shops, restaurants, car dealers maybe. So I could go here, I can click on the little square and draw a box, and right away, this found 721 addresses, and I can quickly save them and make that a mailing list that I can send to over and over, or through our campaigns feature. One other thing that's coming up very soon, keep a lookout for it, is that you can actually build and buy mailing lists from a partner data source that we have, and that option will be here as well, and it may already be here as you watch this video. Just click that, walk through the wizard. Just know that that's very exciting. You can get very targeted with that data, and if you have any questions about that, just reach out to us using the icon at the bottom left of the page. So that's it for now. That is the mailing list creation page here at thanks.io.